Here's how you can fix a non-working extension box. Okay, so here's a dismantle extension box. Now, first up, we'll be opening the 3-pin. Simply unscrew it. In this case, it has only one screw. And then, remove the 3 wires by loosening it and pulling it out. Next, we will be unscrewing and removing the wires joined to the electric socket. Cut the wire slightly and pull out the plastic covering so the copper wire is visible. Do this on both the sides of the wire. Once that's done, let's reconnect it now. Here's how the electric socket was connected. Follow the same pattern. And here's the 3-pin structure. Let's follow the same. Lastly, roll the wire inside the box, remembering to keep the screw holes open and uncovered. And finally, screw the box. That's it. Hey, I hope you liked that video. Click on the eye icon here to view the Fix It playlist. See you in the next one. Peace.